Good morning, it is day 203 and we are leaving El Nido today. I'm with my dad on our way to an early stroll, but we're going to be getting a ferry in about 2 hours, so we just thought we'd go for a little wander. Hi, morning. Thank you. So I have gone for, there you go, not a Earl Grey. Actually it was a raspberry hibiscus tea and it was 200 pesos, which is about £2.80. And my dad has just gone for his staple Americano. But look how cool this space is. So really tough and thick stone. And the chairs are made out of wood and they each have a little stone embedded at the top. So the price for these are 145 pesos, which is about £2, and for the dark rum it's 235, so yeah, £3. And it's super strong as well, 80% alcohol. And the tours are getting ready to go. Look at that busy boat there. There's a full boat going on here. Yeah, it's very busy on the beach. And the weather's not too hot right now. Maybe because the sun is hiding behind the cloud somewhere. It's quite a nice temperature. Oh, they're struggling. Come on, girls. Push. Teamwork. It was a quick visit here in El Nido, just 2 nights, 1 day, but I'm glad we managed to get on the tour and have it all to ourselves. It is very busy here. I don't think the town is too big. There are different areas, but we're on the beach right now, and our ferry to Coron, which is going to be 5 hours, is actually leaving from the ferry port, which is just here on the other end of this beach. And we are back at the ticket booth collecting the tickets a little bit earlier, and you still have Yappy Dog over there by the ice cream. There we go, black dog, just marking its territory. And my dad's marking his. We have successfully picked up the tickets, and the lady that gave us the tour yesterday, she recommended, we just bumped into her, and she recommended going to the terminal, the ferry terminal, a bit earlier because there can be a really big queue, and to get there at least an hour and a half before departure, because the terminal has an air conditioning waiting room, and once that gets full with limited seating, you have to just wait outside in the heat. So yeah, we're going to go early. I haven't done this in a while, but home 47, thank you. It was short but very sweet, and El Nido hopefully will come back soon. Bye! Oh, hi guys! Eh? 100? Just to the ferry terminal. Oh, thank you. Salamat po. Ready? Hold on. Morning, sir. He's concentrating.
He concentrates on the really busy road that makes niceties with your early morning interviewing.
Bye, Bazaar. I'm going backwards again. It's only a short trip, so I don't mind, but normally I need to be facing forward. And that one. Oh, we tried to beat the crowds, but it looks like the crowds are here. Where's my mum? We're daming already.
Si daddy mo nakapila na.
Yeah. It's good we got here early because it's like an hour and a half before we're supposed to leave and it's already busy here, so yeah, good tip from the lady. They didn't really tell you priority, did they? They all just went go. But yeah, apparently this is the priority line. We have asked to put all our bags in a row and it looks like there's a show about to happen. But the dogs will come out and smell if there's anything naughty in the bags. I'm glad it went past our bags quickly.
Binabalikan sa akin.
Get away from our bags.
So I've never seen a bunch of OAPs dash so fast, and it's because priority boarding here in the Philippines means if you're over 60 you get to go first, and I'm going to jump and tag along with Rudy, hold his umbrella for him. And yeah, that was a long old wait in the sun. They need to streamline that. They had all those elderly people waiting out on the tarmac. The dog show was impressive, but yeah, a little bit of streamlining needs to be done. I'm going to have a word with Elsie and get her on the case.
And this is the benefits of coming with seniors. We get to jump the queue. But I remember this in the Philippines, they do need to sort out their organisation. And I think I'm going to come here and sort that out because logistically, orderly needs to get sorted. Yeah,
Dog was good though.
The dog was good, but there was a lot of people standing in the heat. It gets worse. Literally, the 3 seats in front, my mum, my dad and Dioli. My mum went to the toilet, Dioli stood up and the whole chair went boom.
Yeah, they need to invest in some of those anchor nuts on that seat, I think.
They do, or my dad needs to lose weight. Yeah, mum and Dioli stay seated. So you know my dad fixes everything. Anything that's broken, he fixes it. He's actually trying to fix the screw loose. Where's your tools, Dad? Oh, no, I need to help him. Yeah, Dad. Let the young ones fix it. You're retired now, you can relax. So he's waiting for his tools, but this is typical Filipino timekeeping. It's supposed to leave at 12:30, it's probably about 1:30 now.
So I think this is the issue that's holding the boat up. So not only do you need to check for a life jacket underneath your chair, yeah, check the chair's bolted to the floor. Yeah, Rudy's overseeing it all.
You've been eating too much on your holiday. It's definitely a Filipino thing. We are 1 hour late. And we are on the move. See? Not impressed. Now he knows where I get it from. Whole journey.
ano. Yes, when I close my eyes, I can feel it. You shout. There's a thief here. So you shout so that no, I cannot do it.
As you know, I do love everything about Japan, but yeah, I found something I don't. That boat was recently acquired from Japan and it's terrible. It was pretty calm seas and it managed to rock and roll the whole journey. And I think it had aeroplane seats from Vietnam recently installed that, well, perhaps really need to have a look at because all of them seem to be needing to be refitted. Elsie.
That was a bit of a nightmare. 200. So here we have to pay an environmental tourism fee, so 200 per person. Did you get your discount?
Yeah.
Got their discount.
So we are in Coron, and from one really bumpy journey to another one, but I kind of preferred the tricycle journey. That was really fun. It was only about 15 minutes long. There's definitely an aggressive, fast-paced style to the way they do it, and they seemed like pros. And we've been met as we step out, so it all seems really easy. Chuck the bags on another boat, only a 20-minute one, and then I think we're getting a takeaway to take with us.
Ooh. And yes, we are getting on another boat, but this time to the accommodation, which is only about 20 minutes away on, I think he said Bigwit Island. But first of all, we've dropped our bags off. We're going to go and get some food, takeaway, and then head to the accommodation. And this one's interesting.
Like giant oyster.
Made it on our epic ferry voyage, and yeah, I'm in two minds as to whether I would do that again. Why? Well, it was really smooth seas and it was really bumpy on the boat, and I reckon if you had turbulent seas that could have been an absolute disaster. I'm going to ask Elsie what she made of that journey. I am loving the old mantis shrimp up here, all bagged up. Elsie, have you done all your sums? Have you done all your sums? So, what did you make of that journey?
It's a long journey, but it's nice. At least we arrived safe and sound here in the island.
You are so positive about absolutely everything. You were feeling a bit sick on that journey, weren't you?
No, I don't feel sick.
No?
I did not even go to sleep.
Okay.
I just stay awake on the whole journey.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's so nice,
It's
Elsie.
nice. But
Yeah.
I'm just hungry.
Okay,
Because we
mate.
had only a little breakfast.
Okay,
No
not
lunch.
enough meriendas.
No merienda.
Okay. Even when I was trying to tease you about your swimming, you replied by saying how great mine was. That's the best way to answer someone who's trying to tease you, though.
Are you okay with the trip?
I think that if it had been rough seas, that could have been a really tough voyage. Do you not think?
It's a little bit rough, but not much.
Okay.
The food has been ordered. We're just waiting for it to be cooked and then we are heading back to the island. But I'm actually enjoying the music here. The singer is very, very good. She's singing a bit of TLC. There's some Alanis Morissette happening right now as I speak. But yeah, that was an experience of a journey, and it reminded me actually when I came here last time and we were traveling the islands, and my frustration with systems here. You know me, I love things efficient, systems, organisation, and I am so Filipino proud. I love our culture, I love the friendliness, the giving nature, but what they do need to sort out is their systems, because that journey should have and could have been much smoother if they put in place, you know, just more communication, telling people what's happening, telling them this is a queue for seniors and this is a queue for, you know, the other people. When you get off the boat, just to inform you, okay, we're going to be taking the luggage off, instead of we had to like literally search for our bags, and because there was no communication, people didn't know. So everyone was like walking around the boat trying to find their luggage. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put a word in and say, look, if you want my services, I will come to the Philippines and help you implement systems and make it efficient, so everyone's happy and tourists are happy and they'll come and visit more, and the local people too. Yeah, that's what I've got to say about it. But yeah, ready for food and sleep. Oh, she stopped singing now.
Okay, you want to do more island hopping, do you?
I didn't. It's up to you if you like to go on
I think
island.
the hot spring sounded a bit better.
Hot spring?
Yeah.
You don't have to go island hopping. It's just
Oh, it's just here, is it?
few motorbike ride.
Okay, I think we should do that for sure. And what did you make of our journey, our 5-hour ferry ride?
Horrible. 5 hours. No entertainment. No refreshment.
And the seat wasn't stuck to the floor.
And the seat is like a flying carpet.
I think you deserve a little bit of a kickback for fixing that seat.
And it's discount for that.
Discount pickup.
Refund my fare.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm with you. Let's get our money back, and let's hope that this boat is less rocky and better maintained.
Mind out, it's a bit uneven.
No life jacket for you, Elsie.
You know me, I'm so scared.
Just laughing.
Wala bang 120 dito?
Yun, marami.
Kaya ba yan?